Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to pay with Klarna on eBay. So here's the simple steps and guide for you to be able to pay with Klarna on eBay. So open the eBay app or go to the eBay website, then make sure you log in into your account, then find the items you want to buy and tap buy it now or add to cart. Then make sure you proceed to the checkout page. So under your payment method, select Klarna if available in your country. Then choose your Klarna payment plan. You can be pay in full, or you can also pick pay later or financing. So log into your Klarna account or create one if you don't have it. Then complete the Klarna verification and code. Complete the Klarna verification and confirm your plan. So review your order details on eBay, then tap confirm and pay. Then we handle the installment payment and your order is placed on eBay. So if you don't see the Klarna at checkout, it means Klarna isn't supported for that seller's item, and that's how you can easily pay with Klarna on eBay. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.